Hello everyone. Today let's see how do we read an image using Python. I'll be walking you through to two different modules. One is OpenCV and another is Pillow. So let's get started. So these are the instructions like how do we install particular module. We need to install pip install OpenCV Python and then we have pip install Pillow, right? So let me get rid of this. Yeah. And these are the syntax what we are using now to read an image, right? So let's go back and let's first install the modules. I'll go to run, enter cmd, and then type pip install opencv fun python. Okay, successfully it got installed. And to read an image, so I have an image that has been downloaded in C drive temporary folder. It's called picture.jpg. Let me try to read this file. I'll open a Python IDE and I'll get started. So the syntax is import cv2 and then let me name this as img, sorry, cv2 dot im read, open bracket. So we need to enter the file name. It's a path. It's in my C drive, so I'll enter C colon temp backslash picture.jpg. Okay, and then I have an argument. So if I want to see it in grayscale or color, so let me try to read this in grayscale. cv2 dot im read underscore. So make sure it's in caps of grayscale. Close this. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll just type cv2 dot im show. So I want the image to be shown. The syntax is image, comma, and the variable that is img in this case. Find enter. There you can see the image. Let me open up the original image. So it's in the color, and since I've asked that, oops, and since I ask the image to be opened in grayscale, so we have an image. Yeah. So once we have this, we can do the processing for the image using Python. We close this and go back. So we're clear with how do we open an image using OpenCV. Let's try using another module called Pillow. Right. Let me go here and install Pillow. Pip install Pillow. Right, it's installed. So I'll go back to my console. And here I'll write from Pill. Make sure all of them are in caps. PIL for pillow. PIL import image. So I should be in caps. From PIL import image. And then I'll declare a variable. I'll declare it as img equal to image dot open and then the file name. So I'll just copy it from here. Close parenthesis, enter, and then I'll say img dot show, right? It opened up an image with the default image editor of your Windows. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.